Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch another one of my videos. In today's video, I have the pleasure of working with Arabella hair. I've worked with them before plenty of times, so it's great always working with them. This is everything that they sent me in my package. And this is the wig that they sent me. They sent me a 26-inch piano color water wave 13x4 HD lace frontal wig. Again, I do have a 26-inch. It's a number 4 mixed with 27. And yeah, so this is the wig. And the wig is made in a dome cap style. So I do like that because the cap in the back is stretchy. This wig did come pre-plucked, so I only had to do minimum plucking. And I did bleach the knots on this wig just to get them a little lighter because the knots are dark brown. So I did bleach the knots, and I added some foundation to the underside of my lace so the lace could blend in my complexion, and that was it, y'all. I installed this wig just using spritz, something very minimum because I wanted something easy to throw on and go. And that was it. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Big thank you to Arabella hair for sending me out this wig to try. And I will talk to you guys in my next video.
Brown sugar got me open, now I want some more. Always down for all my nauseous swine, but I think I'm here to solo. Who my niggas don't mind. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I think y'all here. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave. Brown sugar, babe. I want some of your brown sugar. Show me your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. And some of your brown sugar, brown sugar. About this girl, maybe I should. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brian. See, we be making love constantly. That's why my eyes are a shade bloodburn. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing. When I'm kissing, what I'm missing, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off your love, I don't know how to be your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. Oh, sugar, when you're close to me, you love me right down to my knees. And whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off the love, don't know how to behave. Brown sugar, some of your brown sugar. Brown sugar got me open, now I want some more. Always down for all my nonchalant, but I think I'm here to solo. Who my niggas don't mind. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I think y'all here. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave. Brown sugar, babe. I want some of your brown sugar. Show me your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. Give me some of your brown sugar, babe. The way that we kiss isn't like any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm missing. Won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off your love, I don't know how to be your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. Sugar, when you're close to me, you love me right down to my knees. And whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes, even got a big sister.